Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to quickly turn on the mode SpeaktoChat for the Sony XM5 headphones. This helps with the auto-stop music during the conversations. But for now, subscribe to our channel to see more useful content. First, make sure that your headphones are fully charged and connected to your device with the help of the Bluetooth. Then you need to wear your headphones. You need to tap with your 2 fingers on the sensor panel on the right headphone and hold till you see the voice message SpeaktoChat activated. It will help to stop your music automatically if you speak to someone, and if you stop speaking, the music will automatically play again. As you can see, there is a setting button. You need to tap on it and see the voice detect sensitivity. You tap on it and you can change the parameters by clicking on it. Also, you can see time until the mode closes. This means that when the music stops playing and then you stop speaking, the music will turn again in 5 seconds or 15 or 30. You can change this parameter by clicking on it. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.